Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Waze Map Editor and choosing the exact area you'll edit. This ensures you're in the right jurisdiction and have permissions. Once done, zoom to the street or junction you'll modify, because precise zoom reduces mistakes and speeds selection. Make sure the editing layers for roads, attributes, and places are enabled so you can see all editable elements. This helps you avoid missing constraints or hidden objects when you begin your first change. You now perform the core edits. Pick a segment and decide whether to split, merge, or reshape it. This affects navigation routing directly. Then edit geometry carefully, update speed limits, add lane counts and turn restrictions so routing reflects real-world flow. Once edits are staged, run the validation preview to catch errors and add concise edit comments explaining why you changed the road. This saves reviewer time and reduces reverts. If unsure, leave a note for local curators explaining the data source. You finish by saving your edits with a short, specific summary and note the source. This helps reviewers accept your change more quickly. Once saved, watch the change log and be ready to respond to curator questions, because prompt clarifications prevent reversions. If something goes wrong, like a routing regression or geometry conflict, revert the offending edit, test the corrected version in preview, and resubmit with a better comment. This troubleshooting loop keeps the map accurate and your edits accepted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.